boss. So far, this all looks familiar.
It is real cute, Jack.
Anytime, anywhere.
Hey, man, you smell that?
Smell what?
Smells like another babysitting job to me, man.
No shit, man. Babysitting job my ass. This has training mission written all over it. Why else would they have kept our orders from us for so long, huh?
Yeah, what the hell is that all about? Throwing our asses in this hunk of junk and not even telling us what we're going in for, man.
Do you have a problem, Private? I will give you your orders when we have reached the LZ. You got that, soldier?
Sir, yes, sir.
I don't really give a damn what we're going in for. As long as I get to kill me something. I heard that.
Watch your vector, Goose 3. It's getting a little tight in here.
And if this is another search and rescue operation, I'm gonna be pissed.
Yeah, I'm gonna be pissed too when I gotta search out and rescue your sorry ass.
Anyone out there got a good view of the LZ yet? Negative, Goose 7. I can see some activity up there, but I can't tell what it is.
Hey, Chef, I think Jackson here's got the hot for it.
Okay, listen up, people! We have an extremely hostile situation over there!
Holy shit! Goose 3's down! Goose 3's down! What's going on out there?
So let's keep this tight! Your mission is to get... Shit! Go, Get down! 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, you've woken up. Corporal Shepard, is it? I've read the tag on your uniform. I'm glad to see my life-saving efforts weren't in vain. I can't say the same for him. I'm afraid you have been through a serious accident. Most of your friends didn't make it. I was hoping that you soldiers had come to rescue us, but now it seems we are all in the same situation. I think I saw a radio near the crash site where I found you. Perhaps you can go there and radio for help?
Attention required in Sector 27.
These crab creatures have a unique parasitic strategy, don't you think?
Warning, severe damage.
Have you ever seen such a magnificent species? These crabs can completely control their host's nervous system. Can you imagine what the next stage of mutation looks like? No! Oh!
I'd love to hang that over my fireplace. You know, if I had one. I have a better chance of survival with you. Sorry, Shepard, sir. You know, I was told not to open this door for you until you agreed to help us. Besides, you wouldn't want to go out there without your armor vest anyway. I left it for you where the other soldiers are getting treated. Just, you know, come on back here when you found it.
Security breach detected in silo 30. Remaining science personnel report to medical laboratory 6 for radiation exposure inspection.
All right, a soldier. I'm saved. Maybe I should guard that closet over there. Oh, yeah, sure. We'll work better as a team. Okay, Shepard, I see you found your power vest. That should keep you safe out there. See, now, I've heard rumors that you troops may not actually be here to rescue us. Just don't forget about us out there. Alrighty? Okay, I'll let you through now.
Dr. Godfrey's report to inspection.
Good luck, sir.
Immediately.
Hello, soldier, sir. Ah!
where we are pulling out. Good luck.